Hello everyone, how are you? Today I talk about very most important topic. This topic is reduction formula. Okay, reduction formula. Okay, this topic is very most important. Reduction formula. Please you note down. I provide most important question answer and most important formula. Okay, first question it is if I PQ is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power px and cos qx dx and shows that I pq is equal to p plus q I p minus 1 q minus 1 is equal to p into p minus 1 by by p square minus q square, okay, into I p minus 2 q. Okay, how to prove this problem? This is this is very most important question. Okay, so please you note down. I provide answer. Answer. Okay. So first, J P Q is equal to J P Q is equal to integration of, okay, integration of P Q. Okay, integration of cos to the power Px and cos Qx into dx. Okay, this value, put it this value and calculate this answer. So next, cos to the power Px sin Qx by Q plus P by Q integration of cos to the power P minus 1 into sin x cos x sin Qx. Okay, 1 minute. Sin Qx into dx. Okay, next is equal to cos to the power Px sin Qx by Q plus P by Q integration of cos P minus 1 x into cos Q minus 1 into x. Okay, minus cos x cos Qx into dx. Okay, is equal to n j p comma q. Okay, equal to cos to the power px sin qx plus p j m minus 1 q minus 1 minus p I p comma q. Okay, or p plus q into I j p comma n is equal to cos to the power px sin to the power qx plus p I p minus 1 q minus 1. Okay, next, so jmn. Next, jpq jpq is equal to cos to the power px into sin qx by p plus q plus p plus q I p minus 1 q minus 1. Okay, and next again I j. Okay, this is j p minus 1 q minus 1 is equal to integration of cos p minus 1 x into cos q minus 1 x dx, okay, is equal to cos to the power q minus 1 x sin q minus 1 x by q minus 1 plus p minus 1 by q minus 1 integration of cos to the power p minus 2 x sin x sin q minus 1 x dx, okay, x dx is equal to cos to the power q minus 1 p minus 1 into x into sin q minus 1 x by q minus 1 q minus 1, okay, plus p minus 1 by q minus 1 integration of cos to the power p minus 2 into x into cos q minus 1 x cos x minus cos q minus 1 plus 1 x into dx, okay, is equal to cos to the power p minus 1 x sin q minus 1 x by q minus 1, okay, plus p minus 1 by q minus 1 I j p minus 1 into q minus 1 minus p minus 1 by q minus 1 j p minus 2, okay, into q, and or 1 minus p minus 1 by q minus 1 I p minus 1 q minus 1 is equal to cos to the power p minus 1 into x sin q minus 1 x by q minus 1, okay, minus p minus 1 by q minus 1 into j p minus 2 q, okay, or j p minus 1 q minus 1 is equal to cos to the power p minus 1 x sin q minus 1 x by q minus p, okay, minus p minus 1 by q minus 1 into j p minus 2 comma q, okay, or substituting substituting in 1, because one value it is I j, okay, p comma q is equal to cos to the power p x sin qx by p plus q plus p by p plus q j p minus 1 into q minus 1, okay, put it this value, okay, so next it is j p minus 1 and q minus 1, okay, put it this value, okay, this value. Next j, it is j m comma n p comma q, sorry, p comma q is equal to cos to the power px sin qx by p plus q plus p by p plus q into cos to the power m minus 1 x sin q minus 1 x by q minus p minus q minus 1 by q minus p j p minus 2 comma q, okay, is equal to n square minus m square. Okay, bracket p square minus q square minus p square. Sorry, is not m. Sorry, it is q square minus p square I j p comma q is equal to q minus p cos to the power px sin qx plus p cos p minus 1 x sin q minus 1 x. Okay, minus p minus 1 into j p minus 2 q. Okay, is equal to q into q into q into cos to the power p x sin qx minus p cos p sin qx. Okay, plus p cos p minus 1 x into sin qx cos x minus cos qx sin x minus p minus 1 j p minus 2 q. Okay, is equal to q into sin p into cos p into cos px sin qx minus p cos qx into cos p minus 1 x into sin x minus p into p minus 1 j p minus 2 comma q. Okay, and j m n is equal to q sin qx into cos x minus p cos qx sin x by q square minus m square. Okay, q square minus p square. Okay, q square minus p square into cos p minus 1 x minus p into p minus 1 by q square minus p square into j p minus 2 into q. Okay, so this is what first part proved. Okay, first part it is uh, j. Okay, it is j j. Okay, so j p q is equal to p by p plus q j p minus 1 and q minus 1 is equal to p into p minus 1 by q square minus q square j p minus 2 comma q. Okay, this is first part proved. Okay, this part. Next I talk about next proved pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, so how to prove this problem? So j p comma q is equal to integration of pi by 2. This is given. Okay, cos to the power p x cos qx into dx is equal to p by p plus 1 j p minus 1 q minus 1 is equal to p into p minus 1 by p square minus q square into j p minus 2 q. Okay, and taking p is equal to q is equal to n, integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power cos to the power this value it is px into no, this is p is equal to q is equal to n, so cos to the power n x into cos to the power nx dx is equal to n by n plus 1 I n minus 1 sorry j n minus 1 and n minus 1 comma j n minus 1 is equal to half of n minus 1 by n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into j n minus 2 n minus 2. Okay, so this value half into dot half into j 0 comma 0. Okay, is equal to this is 2. Okay, n minus 2 n minus 2 and this value it is 1 by 2n integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx. So put it this value, so it is pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, this is true. You should not understand and repeat this question and provide this answer. Okay, this is very most important question and answer and formula. Okay, so next I talk about question number 2. Okay, next I talk about question number 2. This question is if I m comma n is equal to integration of cos to the power n x cos n x dx. Okay, shows that okay I m comma n is equal to cos to the power mx sin nx by m plus n plus m by m plus n I m minus 1 n minus 1. Okay, is equal to n into sin nx cos x minus m into cos nx sin x by m square minus m square into cos m minus 1 x minus m into m minus 1 by n square minus m square I m minus 2 I m minus 2 comma n. How to solve this problem and how to prove this formula? Okay, this is very most important formula. Okay, the answer, so please do note down. I provide this question answer. Okay, but it's simple and easy topics, so please do note down. We know that I m comma n is equal to integration of cos m x sin n x. Okay, sorry, this is cos mx into cos nx dx. Okay, this is given. Okay, next is equal to, this is formula, it is cos to the power m x sin nx by n plus m by n into integration of cos to the power m minus 1 into x sin x into sin nx into dx. This is formula. Okay, is equal to cos to the power m x sin nx by n plus m by n integration of cos to the power m minus 1 into x into cos n minus 1 x minus cos x into cos nx. Okay, cos nx into dx is equal to n into I m comma n. Okay, is equal to cos to the power mx sin nx plus m into I m minus 1 into n minus 1 minus m into I m comma n. Okay, or m plus n is equal to I m comma n is equal to cos to the power mx sin nx plus m I m minus 1 into n minus 1. Okay, therefore I m comma n is equal to cos to the power mx sin nx by m plus n, okay, plus m by m plus n I m minus 1 n minus 1. This is proof. This is first part. Okay, I m n is equal to cos to the power mx and sin nx, okay, by m plus n plus m by m plus n into I m minus 1 comma n minus 1. Okay, next second part, again I m minus 1, okay, and n minus 1 is equal to integration of cos to the power m minus 1 x cos n minus 1 x dx. Okay, this part. Okay, this part I proved, and next to prove this part. Okay, this second part. Okay, n sin I m n I m comma n is equal to n sin nx cos x minus m cos nx sin x by m square minus m square into cos m minus 1 x minus m into m minus n minus 1 by n square minus m square. Okay, so next again m minus 1 into n minus 1 is equal to integration of cos m minus 1 into x cos n minus 1 x dx. Okay, is equal to cos m minus 1 x sin n minus 1 x by n minus 1 okay, plus m minus 1 by n minus 1 integration of cos m minus 2 into x sin n minus 1 x dx. Okay, this is formula. Okay, and is equal to cos m minus 1 x sin n minus 1 x by n minus 1 plus m minus 1 by n minus 1 integration of cos m minus 2x into cos n minus 1 x cos x minus cos n minus 1 plus 1 x into dx. Okay, is equal to cos to the power m minus 1 into x sin n minus 1 x by n minus 1. Okay, plus m minus 1 by n minus 1 I m minus 1 into n minus 1 minus m minus 1 by n minus 1 I m minus 2 into n. Okay, n minus 2 into n is equal to, or 1 minus m minus 1 by n minus 1 into I m minus 1 into n minus 1 is equal to cos m minus 1 into x sin n minus 1 x by n minus 1 into minus m minus 1 by n minus 1 I m minus 2 comma n. Okay, or I m minus 1 n minus 1 is equal to cos m minus 1 x sin n minus 1 x by n minus m minus m minus 1 by n minus m I m minus 2 comma n. Okay, and substituting this value. Okay, this given question. Okay, given. Okay, I m comma n, sorry, we know that I m n is equal to cos to the power mx sin nx by m plus n plus m by m plus n I m minus 1 into n minus 1. So put it this value. Okay, this value. Okay, so next is equal to I m n I m comma n is equal to cos to the power mx sin nx by m plus n plus m by m plus n into cos m minus 1 x into sin n minus 1 x by n minus m minus m minus 1 by n minus m, I m minus 2 into n, okay, is equal to n square minus m square, implies that n square minus m square I m comma n is equal to n minus 1 n minus m into cos to the power mx into sin nx plus m into cos m minus 1 x into sin n minus 1 x minus m into m minus 1 I m minus 2 comma n, okay, and is equal to n into cos to the power mx sin nx minus m into cos to the power m into sin nx plus m into cos to the power m minus 1 into x sin nx into cos x, okay, minus cos nx into sin x minus m into m minus 1 I m minus 2 n, okay, is equal to m into cos to the power m x to sin nx minus m cos nx into cos to the power m minus 1 x sin x minus m into m minus 1 into I m minus 2 comma n, okay, this is next. Therefore I m comma n is equal to n into sin nx cos x minus m cos nx sin x by n square minus m square, okay, into cos m minus 1 x minus m into m minus 1 by n square minus m square I n minus 2 comma n, okay, this is proved. The first second part I proved this problem, okay, this is first part, okay. And next, this is first part and this is second part, okay. These two topics are very most important, so please you note down. Thank you, take care, goodbye. Next I uploaded most important question answer, okay. Thank you, take care, goodbye. If you not understand, please you comment me, okay.